Alright, we made it through the first two videos, and this is our final video from our Aitutaki trip. And this covers a few days, and one of the biggest highlights was a Vaca cruise, one that the island's most famous for. And if you're wondering if this island has overwater bungalows, they do. There's only one resort that offers that. Here's a small picture of it. This demolished pier that you see here used to be a pier for airplanes that could land in the water, and the Aitutaki used to be part of the milk run, which was established in World War II for transporting supplies through the South Pacific. And you can see more information in the airport there with multiple plaques, which I showed briefly, and really cool history. This island is where one of the series of Survivor was filmed, and they still have some of the huts and some of the things on the island that you can go and walk through. Also coming up, one of the things that they do on the Vaca cruise is they give you a demo on how to husk a coconut and some of the many uses that they have for not only the coconut milk, but the husk as well. Here's the survivor hut.
Should be coming off very easily. So push, don't pull, you're wasting your time. Okay, watch my left hand. It always wraps the husk around the sharp stick. Okay, what I'm sharing with you also is one of our competitive sport here in the islands. We have our own version of the Olympic Games here in Cook Island. It is called Mania Games. Every 3 years, I think 3 or 4 years, we come together and compete. Traditional sport is one of them.
This is the same island, it's just taken higher up, aerial shot. You can see other motus, they call them, in the background. One of the last places that they take you are these sandbars, and you can get out, you can walk through it. Many places it's only ankle deep and maybe a knee deep, and you can just walk easily a mile. is one of the areas that they're creating an artificial reef to help reintroduce corals and clams to grow the population. As you can see in some of the snorkeling shots, it's not as vibrant with corals as this little particular area is, and this is what they're trying to restore. Had to take this shot because it reminds me of when I used to paddle. I had really wanted to go fishing, but there was a fishing tournament going on. These are them coming back, and so I didn't get a chance to fish. I tried to set up the cameras and get these time lapses because almost every evening there's just a gorgeous sunset, and I love seeing the transition. Hopefully you guys do too, because there's a couple on here. I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch. I know there's a lot of content out there on YouTube, and just wanted to leave you with this last shot flying away from the island. Gives you a really great bird's eye view of all the lagoon and all the little motus. So hope you enjoy it. It's a little long, but bear with it if you love tropical islands and scenery. You're awesome. Liked it. Woo!